Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the 4-point bending process of the concrete slab reinforced with steel bars and CFRP head plate. Here, let me to change the CFRP. This is the CFRP sheet with 8 layers here with different angle rotation in the fiber. So first, let's me to hold just the concrete part and check the stress for it. This is the stress at the end frame of the bending process. We can get, for instance, plastic strain, equivalent, plastic strain, displacement, or everything. And now let me to remove this part and check the steel bar. This is the steel bar which embedded inside the concrete host, and we can get the stress for it. See the stress, this is the yield stress for the bars, steel bars, and the plastic strain. And for the GFRP, sorry for that, for the GFRP, let's me to remove this part and just hold the GFRP, and let's me to use a limit to have a better view of this stress. See, this is the stress. Let's me click on it. This is the stress in the GFRP during the bending process. And then we can achieve, for instance, damage for the fiber and for the matrix, tensile and compressive damage. For instance, this is the tensile damage for the matrix. The compressive damage happened, you can see it is around 16% in these elements. Okay, and we can get displacement or everything for it. So another important thing is force displacement diagram. Let's me to plot it. See this. This is the force capacity versus displacement. It is increases during the displacement till here. It is around 1.75 meganewton here. And then we have the failure here. See that? This is the failure at 5 centimeter displacement for that assembled part. Okay, so if you need this simulation and this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com. In our website there are many English tutorials, you can use them. So find the English title about this simulation, click on title or blue signs. This is continue, and if you can't find this title, you can search it here in the search section of the website, and then you will find it. So now the short explanation about the geometry and assembly, and then the material date, the material method, the material model, and steps, interactions, mesh, boundary, everything, and then the results here. And at the end, there are 3 important points. The file contains CA and English verified step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have Bitcoin, you can pay with that. If you haven't Bitcoin, you can use PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, you can pay for this simulation, and before that, send me an email to this address. And then I will tell you about the purchasing through a PayPal account. Thank you for attention.